How come companies still to this very day are struggling with silo separations? Now, let me take you back in time to the good old days and tell a little story. In the good old days, we would have companies focusing on only two KPIs: happy customers and earning money. Very simple. But as Wall Street became part of the vocabulary and companies suddenly were striving to raise money, they also were required suddenly to start sharing information on a quarterly basis. That worked well because the silver lining was still part of the DNA of the company, so things were moving on well. But then something happened which really destroyed everything. These individual departments and companies became almost like their own little ecosystem, pleasing themselves because each of them had their own little set of KPIs. Suddenly they couldn't care less about working with other divisions and functions in the company. No, they're much happier on their own right. And suddenly that internal synergy disappeared. The silver lining of customer mindset disappeared as well. And this is the reason why we are where we are today. So how do you restore it? Well, there's two things to have in mind. We need to place the customer in the center of the organization again in order to make sure we don't lose sight of who's really paying that salary. But the second thing is just as important. We need to change the KPIs. KPIs again needs to work together in a synergy across those silos, encouraging these functions to work together. And more, in fact, the employees need to receive a bonus if they're really good at working together. In fact, collaboration should be one of the key factors for success. Once those two things are happening, I'm pretty sure we'll see that silo effect we're seeing today will slowly fade away.